We've been doing the 4-hour sales and marketing roadmap for years, and we found it to be a great way to help companies get unstuck, that they were locked in some kind of process and that was keeping them from executing. And we thought, what can we do to move them along really quickly? And so the process is really simple, actually. We'll give you the first 30 minutes just to learn more about you. You can learn about us and see if it even makes sense, see if this will even work for you. For some it does, for some it doesn't, no problem. We're happy to invest that. And if it does make sense, you can decide. And we'll set up basically a workshop that's 4 hours. And during that time, we'll go through a structured process. We're going to cover what's working, what's not working, what your strengths are, what your weaknesses are, what your specific outcomes. Too much for me to explain right now. And we're going to absorb that information, take a lot of notes. Then we're going to come back with detailed recommendations that identify in each different area that we discovered that was holding you back, specifically what to do next. And it really could be anything depending on what happens during that session. But for $2,000, what do you have to lose?